Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enter or exit recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. First of all, just use the charging cable of your smartphone and connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone, just like that. Then connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Just connect your smartphone to your laptop or to your PC. After that, on your smartphone, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. After that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And when the Samsung logo appears on the screen, just release both of these buttons. And as you can see, we have successfully entered to the recovery mode. And you can navigate the screen by using your volume up, volume down, and power button. You can scroll down this list by using the volume down button. And you can go up using the volume up button. Now to exit recovery mode, just press the volume up button and select Reboot System Now. Now once you select Reboot System Now, just press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. Now, as you can see, this is how you can enter or exit recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.